apple, it sounds B is for ball, it sounds b. C is for cat, it sounds k. D is for dog, it sounds d. E is for elephant, it sounds eh. F is for fish, it sounds f. G is for goat, it sounds g. H is for hippo, it sounds h. I is for igloo, it sounds I. J is for jelly, it sounds j. K is for kite, it sounds k. L is for lion, it sounds o. M is for monkey, it sounds m. N is for nest, it sounds n. O is for octopus, it sounds ah. P is for pig, it sounds p. Q is for quail, it sounds qua. R is for rabbit, it sounds S is for sun, it sounds s. T is for tiger, it sounds t. U is for umbrella, it sounds V is for violin, it sounds v. W is for water, it sounds w. X is for box, it sounds x. Y is for yak, it sounds y. Z is for zebra, it sounds z. Let's make a track!
A is for apple.
Wow!
A.
Chugga 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 choo choo! Let's trace the letter
B. B is for butterfly.
ba.
Whoosh.
Trace the letter
C.
Splash splash! Let's make a road.
D is for dog. Beep beep.
Let's trace the letter
E. E is for elephant.
Yes!
E. Whoosh.
trace the letter
F. F is for flower.
F. Splash, splash. Let's make a track.
Wow! G is for grapes.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Let's make a road.
H is for horse.
Ha, ha, ha. Beep, beep. Let's make a road.
I is for ice
Wow.
cream.
Beep, beep. Let's trace the letter
J.
whoosh. Let's make a track.
K is for king.
Ka, ka, ka. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Let's trace the letter
L is for lion.
Splash, splash. Let's trace the letter
M. M
Yes.
is for mango.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Whoosh.
Let's trace the letter
N.
Wow.
N is for nest. N.
Mm-hmm. Splash, splash. Let's make a track. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Let's make a road.
P
Mhm.
is for pencil.
Beep, beep.
Q is for queen.
Beep, beep. Let's trace the letter
R is for rocket.
Wow. Splash, splash. Let's make a track. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Let's trace the letter
T. T is for train.
Whoosh. Let's trace the letter Splash, splash. Let's make a road.
V is for violin.
Beep, beep. Let's trace the letter
W. W is for watermelon. What?
Whoosh. Let's make a track.
X is for xylophone.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Let's make a road.
Y is for yak.
Beep, beep. Let's trace the letter
Z. Z
S.
is for zip.